right, taking a peek at radar right now. Nice to see, and I'm sure everyone watching right now happy to see that these storms are on the way out. Now, we're not completely done with the showers, but I don't expect these to become severe. Some heavy rain, some lightning, maybe even some small hail, but the big stuff is done with. Take a look at the reports from today alone, the last 24 hours. This goes back to last evening. A lot of the green diamonds, which represent hail, that was actually from today, especially this big cluster that you see from Springfield, southwest, right down 60 and over into the Monette area. I mean, it was Monette, it was Aurora, it was Marionville, Billings, into the west side of Springfield and right out the northwest and north side of Springfield. Looking at the last 3 days, you see that there was even more. I mean, this has been a 3-day event, and the big headline has been extremely large hail. For the past 3 days, there have been many spots that have had golf ball to tennis ball size hail. Now, I think some of the larger hail that we've had out of this 3-day stretch fell today with some of these storms that impacted Springfield and areas off to the southwest. The pictures that I've seen, I mean, baseball, softball size hail. That's what was experienced on the west and northwest side of Springfield. Thankfully, despite the number of severe thunderstorms, did not produce much, if any, in the way of tornadoes locally in our area. Now, because of the severe weather, the National Weather Service still has to get out there and do some survey work. They haven't been able to do it because the weather pattern's been so active, but I don't think that we're going to see a lot of confirmed tornadoes out of what we've seen cross the area, despite the number of supercells and despite the amount of hail that our area is seeing. And also some wind damage, by the way. Looking at radar right now, again, we've got a thunderstorm here in northern Shannon County, southeastern Dent, heading east. Another one cutting across northern sections of Howell County. Another one in Ozark. Again, all of that sub-severe. Some showers extending into north central Arkansas. We do find flash flood warnings down toward the Memphis area. There was a tornado warning storm just south of Memphis. That's that cluster of storms that we were watching earlier this evening that was initially over toward Fayetteville and then kind of cut east across northern Arkansas. Thankfully, the warm front and where these storms wanted to track along was just far enough south that the severe weather threat stayed generally south of our area. And as I said, it looks like it's over with. Looking at our hour-by-hour forecast for the rest of the night, showers gradually moving out, clouds moving out, and we start tomorrow off with mostly clear skies. But high cloudiness is going to move in, and it's going to make for filtered sunshine later in the day. As far as rainfall, don't expect too much more beyond where we are right now. About 47 for a morning low. Afternoon highs running cool for late April. Mid-60s to upper 60s across the area. Kind of a fresh feel. As we close out the week, cool and quiet. Thursday, mostly cloudy skies, 66. For Friday, looks like mostly cloudy skies. Highs in the low 60s. And then Friday night into Saturday morning, unusually cold. We're looking at lows in the upper 30s to low 40s. An afternoon high on Saturday of 63 degrees. Sunday, though, we see those temperatures popping back up. Looks like sunshine in 70s. That would be my pick day of this upcoming weekend. And then Monday looking good, too. Mostly sunny, about 78 for a high. Looks like there will be a slight chance for showers heading into the evening hours maybe on Monday, but better chance for showers and some thunder on Tuesday. But at this point, Mike, I don't see any red flags for severe weather for Tuesday.
I was going to say, we've had such a wild few days weather-wise. We're not sure what we're going to do when it's actually calm once again, I think. I mean, we just kind of gotten that pattern.
I know, you're kind of amped up, and now we have to have time to decompress after some really busy weather.
We'll need it. Thank you, Jamie.